Okay guys, this is the 4th gear pressure switch right here. And this is the gasket they'll sell you to go with it. This is the first one I've done. First thing you'll see is I'm going to remove this clip. You're learning with me, which I've tore hundreds of Hondas apart. Just replacing this I've never done. Remove a little clip. Everything's held together with clips these days. Fold this back. Let's see here. Fold that back. Bungee cord. Pull it back out of the way. Make sure you hook your bungee cord secure so it don't slap you upside the head. All right. Okay, the 4th gear pressure switch is right here. All right, let's see if we can get you a good view here. Limited space here to work. Unclip the clip right there. Just squeeze on this right here like that and pull. 22 millimeter. Stuff like this is usually not real tight. A little catch pan in case any fluid comes out. That's the switch. New one. Don't forget the gasket. You will have a leak if you do. It's actually marked 4 right here also. Let me see if I can get you in on that. Hopefully you can see that. This screen on the back of this camera, I can't tell. I have to be very careful what I'm doing. Just snug it. Don't go gorilla tighten it. Plug it back in. Now let's put it back together. Take our bungee cord off. We didn't smack ourselves in the head, so that's a good day. Now these covers back together. I hate these covers. They always come in and half the clips are missing or they break when you remove them. People run over curbs going in parking lots, tear them off all the time. It's just like a constant battle. This one's all jinkety jink. Line both covers back up. I can't have this. Let's see here. I'm at a weird angle trying to do this, to be honest with you, because of the camera, and I can't see the hole. That's what she said. I'm gonna move this back a little. Maybe that'll get it out of my way, and maybe you'll still be able to see. Like this is that important for you to watch, but you know. Jeez. little stuff like this will aggravate the mess out of you. All right. Fine.